Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make an opera cake. Opera cake. It is like sex. It is glorious, beautiful, fantastic. It is about coffee. It is about cognac. It is about chocolate. It is the most beautiful thing that anyone can ever have. Flour, eggs, cream, sugar, chocolate, coffee, and a beautiful bottle of Napoleonic Armagnac. First thing, the Jaconde, which is a half cup of 10x sugar and a half cup of almond flour with 3 eggs. Beat it good and get it smooth and good. And then we're going to put it on a little bath there, just thicken up the eggs. Don't be, watch out for it. All right, now we're going to be whipping the egg whites. Those are 4 egg whites. Now you're not going to over whip them. You're going to see those nice little peaks. Okay, we're going to fold in the egg whites to the batter. And about 3/4 of the way through, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of flour. That's pastry flour. And then when we get down to it, we have a tablespoon of melted butter. Just mix it in there, throw it in, good to go. Spread it out on your cookie sheet. Now you want this to be, a 1/4 inch thick, if you can. 400, 6 minutes, max. And then do the rest. And you might have to rotate those pans. Anyways, for the syrup, it is 6 ounces of coffee, 2 ounces of Armagnac or cognac, whatever you like. And now for the buttercream. Cream, coffee, warm it up, let it seep. In the meantime, 4 egg yolks and a half cup of sugar. Start pouring in your little cream and coffee batter to make it very mocha. Again, you're going to want to put it on the heat to thicken it up. You're really going to have to work this one, because when you take it off the heat, you still have to whip it. It's about 10 minutes doing this. This is fast speed, but anyways, we want that to be thoroughly cooled, and you want to whip it while it's cooling. There we go. Now that the Jaconde has been thoroughly cooled, we're going to be cutting the edges off, cleaning it up, and getting it into 4 even pieces. And for the mocha buttercream, I'm using 2 sticks of unsalted butter. We're going to start putting in our mix of cream and coffee until it's absolutely wonderful. Look at that.
Give that a little flyby.
Okay, the ganache, I can do this with my eyes closed, but anyways, 1 cup of pure cocoa, 1 1/4 cups of 10x, and a dash of creme de tartar, and then of course cream until it's right.
Nice body to it. Wonderful taste.
Okay, assembly time. I've already pre-chocolated the bottom piece. And now we're going to put our coffee Armagnac syrup on there, slice it up a little, add more, and you're going to want to soak this in good. I mean, you want that to be nice and wet. Okay, I heated up the chocolate so it spreads easier. First layer, and then you do your second layer, same thing. The coffee and Armagnac syrup, slice it up with a knife. Put another layer on. Don't be afraid to use a lot, because it's part of the taste. Anyways, and then it's buttercream time. And get that all nice. I mean, you can use a pastry bag if you wish. There we go, and then repeat. Next layer, same thing. Coffee syrup, knife it up. Let more soak in. Wonderful. Ganache. Spread it out. And then your final layer, your coffee cognac syrup, or Armagnac in my case. Soak that up really good. And then the top layer is the buttercream. And then we're going to be covering this up, and then it's going to set in the fridge overnight. Excellent. Okay, the next morning, of course, make a ganache as usual, and then heat it up. And once it's warmed up a little, add safflower oil. It's a neutral oil, and it makes it really nice for your top spread. Pour it on top, and then you see that little piping bag you make for yourself? And spread it out as evenly as possible. Don't worry about dumping it over the edge. And then take your little piping bag and then splorp it on there. I like random. I mean, you can dress it up any way you want, but that's how I like it. And now that it's set up, you're going to clean up all the edges. And of course, use a hot knife, keep rinsing and cleaning your knife with hot water. And then get your plate out and ready to serve. Excellent. Opera cake with a Napoleonic Armagnac. And of course, coffee. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.